आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार और वेलकम टू बर्ड कोड कम्युनिटी चैनल। आज का हमारा सबसे पहला इंटरव्यू है और आपने जैसे कि प्रोमोस एंड थंबनेल्स देख ही लिया होगा। आज हमारे साथ है माधुरी सोनावत। एक कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएट है लेकिन मसाई स्कूल से 6 मंथ की जर्नी तय करने के बाद 5.5 लाख से भी ज़्यादा का पैकेज अर्न किया है वो भी सॉफ्टवेयर इंडस्ट्री में। तो आज हम उनकी पूरी जर्नी के बारे में जानेंगे। तो चलिए चलते हैं, लेकिन उसके पहले लाइक कमेंट शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। चलिए चलते हैं। वेरी गुड आफ्टरनून माधुरी, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. What about you?
It's great from this side also. Um, okay, let's first of all introduce yourself to our viewers.
Yeah, hello everyone. I hope all is doing good. My name is Madhuri Sunawat. I am a commerce graduate, passed out in 2016, and I did full stack web development course in Masai School. It was for 7 months. It is a Bangalore-based school, Masai School. So yeah, currently I'm working in Admit as a software developer.
Okay, what are your futures goals as like a software or a full stack developer?
So I want to grow and learn every day. Like I want to become better each passing day. So currently I'm as a fresher. Like I'm right now a fresher and new in this coding world. So I want to go in higher position, senior position.
My next question is what skills needed to become an effective coder?
So for becoming a coder, there are different things you need. Like first is problem solving skills. You must have problem solving skills. Like when I joined Masai school initially, I didn't know what is problem solving. But after 1 month, I realized that using problem solving skills, you can easily and quickly solve problems. So that one thing is very much needed in your coding skills. Second is management and time skills because you should be aware of the time you are giving to one problem and one thing. You should not be stuck in one problem for long time because it will just waste your time and it will take your time. You should take help or do something about it if you are taking long time. Other thing is you should have the ability or capability to learn new things. Like what like coding is vast as we know. There will be many things, new things will come. So you should have the capability of learning new things at a time. You should easily grab that new thing. That three things are needed, I think, to be a coder, good coder.
आपको क्या ऐसा इन्फ्लुएंस करता है कि आपको इस फील्ड में वर्क करना चाहिए या फिर इस इंडस्ट्रीज में वर्क करना चाहिए?
Influenced as in like what? Okay, so one thing is that I was before joining before joining Masai school, I was preparing for bank exams. So what happens in bank exams? You give maths and logic tests, right? There is three things: aptitude test, maths, and English logic. So what happens? Ki after preparing for 3 years, my maths and logic become too strong. So I thought, and you know, ki coding ke liye maths and logic is the basis. You have to be good in maths and logic. So from there, I decided ki maths and logic is good, and you know, coding nowadays all are learning coding. Even kids are learning coding. Coding is the future, and there is a good opportunity in coding field, good scope. So from there, and my sister is the engineer. She used to come home during holidays, so she told us what she is doing and how she does. She used to ask me some questions related to coding, and I gave answers, and I found it very interesting. And there is nothing to mug up, all logical. So thought of going into this field. Yeah, that's how I entered into this field. So Masai School is a kind of coding boot camp. There you get 9, 9, and 6 training module, which means that you have to give from
Mm-hmm.
9 to 9 your time dedications for 6 days. So the best part
Okay.
about Masai School is this thing that
Mm-hmm.
you get so much discipline because you have to study like 9 to 9, and it's kind of 9 to 9. But I used to study 9 to 12,
Yeah.
so
Okay.
you get so much
Okay.
discipline in that time because generally we don't sit that much hours, 12, 13 hours to sit and study. That is
Hmm.
not possible.
Right.
But you get this thing in Masai school.
Uh-huh.
So that part I liked very much.
Hmm.
And in that Masai
Okay.
school, they trained you in data structural algorithm, problem solving skills, soft skills, and even make you job ready. So before joining Masai, even I was not very
Hmm.
much confident and comfortable in speaking with everybody. But after joining Masai school, I'm a lot more
Okay.
comfortable. I can communicate with anyone.
Yeah.
So that's the best part. And
Uh-huh.
Masai school always,
That's it.
believes in skills rather than degrees.
Uh-huh.
So that is all about Masai school.
Okay.
How were the mentor? How they guide you during this journey, 6 to 7 month journey?
They were
Mm-hmm.
very helpful. Like I told you, I'm not from
Uh,
CS background, so I found very difficult git
Okay.
thing, and I used to ask very silly questions about git. So
Mm-hmm.
mentors are very calm, relaxed. They helped me in
Mm-hmm. Right.
every bit. They didn't laugh at me. Ki, why are you asking that
uh,
silly questions? They were very helpful. You can ask anything anytime you want. All were very
Okay.
good, very
Great.
helpful. Mentors were, always available for you.
Okay. How you
okay.
manage all the schedules during this 6 month 10 hour? मतलब आपने कैसे अपना टाइम मैनेजमेंट किया, घर की एक्टिविटीज़ या फिर आपकी एक्सटर्नल एक्टिविटीज़, ये सब को मैनेज करते हुए आपने कैसे एक 9 to 9 की जर्नी 9 to 12 लेके?
So basically हमारा curriculum start होता था मसाई का from 9 a.m. and it goes till late night like 9 तक
हम्म.
आपका जब काम finish हो जाए you can manage it. So basically that time was lockdown time. So there were no
हम्म.
maids and you had to do all your works by yourself.
हाँ.
Uh,
So obviously it was very difficult initially to maintain both office bhi, ghar bhi and kaam bhi. Everything was very difficult. So, but I managed it. I used to, took to 1 hour break, and in that break time, I used to manage all my things, and
Okay.
I try to complete
हम्म.
whatever the task is assigned to me very fastly, so that I can manage other things too. So it was difficult
हम्म.
initially, but I got habitual of it, and फिर धीरे धीरे सब manage हो गया. I
Okay.
have to give extra
Great.
effort. Obviously, I have to, work late night, but that
हम्म.
is fine. कुछ
okay,
पाने के लिए कुछ
that
करना पड़ता है.
21 days mantra
Yeah.
initially.
Yeah.
ये तो बात हो गई मसाई स्कूल्स की, लेकिन आपने जहाँ ज्वाइन किया है जिस कंपनी में, उस कंपनी का वर्क एक्सपीरियंस हमारे साथ शेयर करें.
My work
हम्म.
experience till now is
ओके.
amazing. I'm not facing any much difficulties. As we know that coding is very
हम्म.
vast. You learn every day new things. It's
हाँ.
not like कि
राइट.
आपने एक बार सीख लिया, you are done. Coding
Uh-huh.
is done. It's not like that. You learn every day new things. That is the best part about coding. So sometimes ऐसा होता है कि work में I get things which I already know,
Hmm.
and sometimes ऐसा होता है कि I get things which I don't know.
हाँ.
I don't even seen that thing. So that time you get to know or learn things from the sketch or resources. So that is the good part. Ki you are learning as well as
हम्म.
contributing in your organization. So what happens ना कि Masai school ने हमें इतना strong बना दिया कि any new thing comes in our way, we easily grab that thing. It's not like we found it
हाँ.
difficult कि oh no I cannot do this without the help. बस only resource चाहिए and we can easily grab it what's happening. So that is the best part about this coding. कि आपका mind बहुत खुल जाता है, शार्प हो जाता है. You can easily
ओके.
think about anything.
फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट कंप्लीट किया है, तो फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट में आपका फेवरेट प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस कौन?
So my favorite programming language is JavaScript. Although I don't know much about other languages, but still JavaScript is the best for the beginners. You can easily understand it, and it easily blends with HTML and CSS. It enhances your HTML CSS skills also. Or other like दूसरे languages की तरह you don't have to install bunch of programs before working on that one. JavaScript directly you can work on this thing. So I like JavaScript very much. It's easy to understand for beginners.
देयर इज अ कंफ्यूजन बिटवीन स्टूडेंट्स दैट अगर आपको जावास्क्रिप्ट सीखनी है तो आपको जावा के बेसिक्स आना कंपलसरी है या फिर जावा थोड़ी बहुत आना कंपलसरी है.
No, it's nothing like that. See, what happens ना कि logic सबके same होते हैं. You have to just command over the logic. बाकी languages you can learn in 1 to 3 days. बाकी language that is all like a syntax thing. You can learn in 2 3 days. But logic आपको आना चाहिए. If you have good command over logic, then you can learn any languages easily. So it's not like if you know only Java, so you can learn only Java thing. It's not like that. You can learn anything if you have learned one language.
ओके आप अभी देख रहे होंगे कि मार्केट में बहुत सारी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस है और अगर मुझे एज अ फुल स्टैक डेवलपर बनना है या फिर मुझे फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट सीखना है तो आपके हिसाब से ऐसी कौन सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस हमें सीखनी चाहिए या फिर एक सॉर्टेड प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस का बंच मतलब उसी तरीके से हम वहीं पे फोकस करें और बाकी कुछ ना करें ऐसा कुछ.
Yeah, sure. So for me, always JavaScript because JavaScript. See what happens कि अगर आप Java learn करते हो तो you have to learn 2 languages because front end part के लिए you cannot use Java. You have to learn JavaScript or something else. So I think JavaScript is the best because you can do HTML, CSS front end part also and Algo also DS वगैरह you can easily do with JavaScript.
ओके आप अभी अपने कंपनी में कौन से टूल्स यूज़ कर रहे हो और अगर आप उसको थोड़ा सा डिस्क्राइब कर पाओ.
Tools as in technologies.
हाँ, in
Like
technologies.
like I learned MERN stack in Masai school. Okay, so MERN stack means MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js. So MERN stack is a collection of powerful technologies used to develop scalable web applications. It comprises of front end, also back end, and you can make user friendly websites. So what I learned at Masai school, I'm seeing using in my company. We are using MERN technologies, and I am right now I'm working on a React part. So data structure algorithm is a different part you have to practice. The more you practice, the more you become stronger. So for data structure and algorithm, because that you need to have a good command over this. Because in interview they ask only DS. They depend on DS. कि आपको अगर DS आता है तो you are good enough. So you can practice DS from Lead Codes, Geeks for Geeks. Like I used to practice from there. So that's the thing, I guess.
ओके हम थोड़ा सा वापस आते हैं. आपका जो इंटरव्यू सेशन हुआ था या फिर इंटरव्यू राउंड हुआ था उसमें किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए थे या फिर किस टॉपिक्स पे ज़्यादा फोकस किया था पूरे इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल्स में.
Basically, I had 4 rounds, जिसमें 3 rounds DSA के थे and only 1 round थे जो content से related थे. वो भी सिर्फ मतलब oral थे. So what happens कि 3 round DSA के थे तो I like they asked me like about 8 questions. In that one I gave answer of 6. Okay. So like I was lucky enough कि मैंने ज़्यादा इंटरव्यू नहीं दिया. मेरा फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू मैंने क्रैक कर लिया था. So my experience in interview was very good because what I noticed that confident about that because interviewer just want to see ki how much confident you are about the questions you know. They don't want you should be the PhD in that questions. They don't want that thing. They just want ki how you approach the problems. So it's okay if you don't know anything or you do something wrong. I think you should be confident over whatever you are saying and whatever you are giving approach. That is enough for them. And if you improve on it, if you do any mistake, that is fine. If you improve on it, that is fine. Like in my interview, I gave one question answer in 3 times. Like for the first 2 times, I gave wrong answers. But I immediately understand that I am doing something wrong. I know where I have to improve, and I immediately improve on it. So they selected me just because I was confident about what I was doing. So that's the thing about interview. Yeah, you don't have to do PhD in anything. You just if you know simple things and you can answer it, that is fine. Yeah.
Okay, so any interviewer ask you a question that you belongs to a commerce background, then also you come to this coding software field.
No, they didn't ask me anything like about from which background you are and how you come into this field. Actually, they were looking only for their skills. So when I was giving interview, there were 5, 6 more students with me who were from engineering background. So मैंने उनको हटा के मैं आगे गई सबसे, तो दैट वाज द बेस्ट पार्ट फॉर मी। एंड इंटरव्यू खुद उससे समझ में आ गया कि यार मतलब इतने सारे इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट्स है और उनके सामने दिस गर्ल कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड गर्ल इज स्टैंडिंग, सो दैट इज द गुड पॉइंट। सो दे वर जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर स्किल्स, नो डिग्रीज।
So it's great to hear that you have achieved the goal over there. सपोज़ कि मुझे अभी फ्रंट एंड डेवलपमेंट आती है या फिर मुझे फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर बनना है, तो इंटरव्यू के दौरान आपको ऐसे कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए जो फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर के रिलेटेड नहीं थे, या फिर कुछ बैक एंड डेवलपमेंट के हिसाब से उन्होंने क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं?
So basically, what happens na ki there are roles for which you are interested in. So there are full stack web development role, or there is front end development role, back end development role. So whatever you are applying for, they will ask for only that one. So if you are applying for full stack, then you have to prepare for both front end and back end. But if you are applying for only front end, then you have to just prepare for front end. They won't ask you anything about back end, and even they won't ask you DSA. DSA is basically for back end. So what happens ki when I was giving interviews, I was preparing for full stack web development course, because we did that course in Masai school. So they asked me, that's why they asked me DSA, because they were considering me for full stack. So full stack mein both aata hai, front end and back end. So they asked me about DSA too. And React part was only for one round, but they asked me mostly about DSA. So if it depends upon what role you are applying for, according to that they will ask you questions.
दैन मसाई स्कूल, आपने कुछ दूसरे रिसोर्सेज फॉलो किए या फिर दूसरे कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स के से आपने कुछ स्टडी किया होगा अदर देन मसाई स्कूल सिलेबस?
So what happens na ki there are many videos available in the market or YouTube. You can see many videos related to JavaScript or front end part. You can see and you can learn, but the thing is that from that is not enough. Video is not enough. You need guidance. What is wrong? What is right? What is needed in the market? So only video thing is not enough. You have to have someone who can guide you in your wrong and right, what is needed in the market, what is needed in the job, what is right and wrong. So Masai school was totally fine for me for the front end part. But as we know that DS is the more you practice, more you become stronger. So DS was needed more practice. So I used to practice from Lead Codes, Geeks for Geeks, and HackerRank. So there are many platforms. I used to, initially practice for easier questions. Then level would be hard, medium, like that. I always used to practice from other platforms too for DSA. But for front end, I was only dependent on
Great. ओके, आपका लास्ट मैसेज क्या होगा फ्रेशर्स के लिए, एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन्स के लिए, या फिर जो कि अभी इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हैं या फिर जिनका इंटरव्यू का सेशन चालू है?
So what I want to say कि always work hard and have some जुनून कि मुझे कुछ करना है. Never give up, because what happens कि मैंने भी जब initially join किया था मसाई स्कूल, I was like कि मेरा mind इतना शार्प नहीं है, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Because what happens कि you learn so many things in a short time, और ऐसा लगता है कि सब कुछ दिमाग से जा रहा है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. But don't give up or have patience, because hard work always pays off. So मैंने हार्ड वर्क किया. स्टार्टिंग में मुझे भी लग रहा था कि मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा, आई शुड क्विट, बट नेवर थिंक ऑफ दैट. ऑलवेज ट्राई टू कीप गोइंग. एट अ पॉइंट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, व्हाई हैपनिंग, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग इवेंचुअली. सो मैं यही बोलना चाहूंगी, नेवर गिव अप, कीप वर्किंग हार्ड, योर हार्ड वर्क विल पेज ऑफ यू, एंड या कीप वर्किंग हार्ड. That's it.
Okay, great. We will end up here, and thank you for your precious time to us, to our Birdcode community platform. Thank you so much for being long time with us. अगर आपको ये वीडियो, ये इंटरव्यू सेशन अच्छा लगा तो आज ही जाके लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि अगर आपको और हमारी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच पाए. Thank you very much for being a long time. Thank you.